1732. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Angela Domingo Vista, 26, single. I have 1 children, 6 years old, 2 brothers and 4 sisters. I'm second child in the family.
What is your educational attainment?
Taking BS Information Technology at Isabela State University, Ilagan Campus, undergraduate.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to go work in Hong Kong to save money for my children's future and to give family support.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
No, but I'm working in Philippines as a housekeeper at 2 years.
Do you have experience in taking care of old person?
Yes.
What can you do for elderly?
Give back, taking care, give food and medicine.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes.
What can you do for babies?
Give back, changing clothes and diaper, and giving milk and foods.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do?
Cooking,
What foreign dishes can you cook?
steam fish and vegetable.
Describe yourself as a housemaid.
Honest, responsible, and hardworking.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
Apologize and say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat you?
Treat me like a family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Dear Mom and Sir, if you choose me as your domestic helper, I will do all my responsibilities and I will finish my 2 years contract and more. Thank you.